Imagine a world where you can build and run an entire business with just a few taps on your phone. No need for coding, no need for complicated software, and no need for a team of experts. This isn't science fiction. It's a reality that's becoming increasingly possible with the rise of artificial intelligence. Recently, the esteemed startup accelerator Y Combinator revealed a groundbreaking new AI agent that could do just that: build and run a business from a simple text message. Dubbed Eclipse, this revolutionary AI uses natural language processing and machine learning to understand your business needs and create a customized solution. Eclipse is not just a tool, but a game changer. With it, you can launch a new product, create a marketing campaign, and even manage your finances, all from a single conversation. The potential applications are endless, from small businesses to entrepreneurs and even large corporations looking to streamline their operations. But how does it work?